2025 today. So, we're just preparing for New Year's Eve. Gamay ramong i-prepare like kay since kami naman po duwan ni Nico. So, we bought cardinal cake. This is an ubi cake. We bought this carbonara sauce kay magkuko carbonara later. We also have steak for dinner. And then, of course, for Toby, it's Jollibee chicken. We just bought this as early as 3 p.m. kay basin mabisi later or traffic, so we can't go out anymore. So we just bought this. But anyways, I have 2 packages here from TikTok and Shopee. So let's unbox. So this is a tanganan siya like sponge sa kitchen. This is also nice kaya mo flow ang water here. And the next package is butanganan siya like modem, like here. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! We're finally taking down our Christmas tree, guys. It's January 3 today, so ito na yung mga ornaments namin. So ito na yung Christmas tree, guys, and then we already packed some of our Christmas decors here.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Today is January 4. We're going to the city today. We'll need to purchase like a box for our Christmas tree and other ornaments that we had last Christmas. See you guys later. Prep muna ako. Bye! Just an update. We're heading to the city na. Joy is driving. And I'm at the backseat. Kasi nagsascratch si Toby sa ano dito. Pero sayang naman. So, kasi wala yung crate niya. I mean yung tawag doon. Parang sa stroller. And then, need kasi yun. Ilagay dito. Para nasa box lang talaga siya. So, binalaundry pa yun namin. First time pala trying and tasted bako and it has the Michelin award like for 3 years.
We got the original churro and then the pistachio.
We're going out, guys. Yes, naka-prep na ako and all. And let's try to go to the city. Check natin muna yung Waze if gaano siya katagal going to the city. Before ko magawas, guys, I just wanna share with you some of the updates here sa bahay, kung ano yung mga ganap lately. Eto, we just purchased this last week. So, our dream yucca plant. So, this is just 1,400, guys. So, kudos to Nanay. So, that's one of the updates. And we just transferred this from there. Kasi, balak na may maglagay ng mirror here. Pero, wala pa tayong budget for that. Next would be this, the sink. Hindi ko na siya masyadong ipapakita kasi masyadong wala pa siyang, hindi pa siya na-clean. Eto, tapos nagbabago din tayo ng LED lights dito kasi busted yung last time. So, that's just some of the updates here. And we still don't have like the box or the bag for our Christmas ornaments or like the Christmas tree also. So we're still waiting for that. And we just changed our like couch blanket to blue one since it's already like we're heading to summer season na. 10:30 na guys, let's go. Ordered salmon maki for dinner. Hindi sa lunch. May mintachi. So, kapatapos ko lang groceries. Nag-butter cash. Then, I wanna massage. Pero, I don't know. I'm not sure. Kasi parang, I need to work pa. Anyways, that's it. Mintachi.
Hey guys, good afternoon. It's 3:38 p.m. and it's February 14. So murag dugay na kami wala nag-vlog kay I've been busy. I still have one vlog to edit before this vlog, so still don't have time to edit because of course work is my priority. My full-time job is my priority. So dagan kay kong backlog sa vlog. But anyways, naka-decide mi ni Nico nga dili mi mo go out for a date because yesterday we went to the city. It was very traffic. Murag among gi-anticipate today nga traffic. So we decided to just stay home. We went to Mandawi Foam yesterday. I bought something for my office. Here's the current situation sa akong office. So if you watch my previous vlog, akong office was in the other room. But right now, ako siyang gi-transfer here sa among previous closet room. So I'm going to share to you what I bought in Mandawi Foam. So first is this Kylo wall shelf. My plan is lagay ko siya here and then put some stuff kasi dami akong anik-anik na wala silang proper place. So another one is this is still a floating shelf pero maliit siya. Ilalagay ko siya here like on top sa desk ko. This is around like 300 lang. And then this one, dito siya ilalagay. Bale, partner siya nitong shelf ko ito. Another one is so cute. It's color blue. I think this is around 500, 400. But because it's on sale, I only got it for like 280 something. So it's so cute. This will give color to my office for sure. And then another one is this cute photo frame. Madami kasi kaming mga photo booth pictures ni Nico and hindi pa siya nalalagay sa mga photo frames. And then last one is this artificial plant. It's so cute. We will arrange things here in my home office.